Welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz related to board mass and PAMDAS method. And now we see here we have an expression 8 divided by 4 multiplied with a parenthesis expression like 6 plus 2 of 4 and plus 32 and minus 2. And we have four options like 50 to 8, 46, 38, 52. So now we can solve this expression using the PAMDAS and BODMAS method. Today I will use the PAMDAS method, but BODMAS and PAMDAS both are similar one. You can see it on the screen. Like BODMAS is bracket and P for parenthesis, order of power and or root, right? Bracket and this one, or you can say like curly bracket or square bracket. And the root is square root or any root, and power exponential, division is division sign, and multiplication this one, addition is plus, and subtraction is minus. So these are rules you can apply to solve this expression. Okay. So before starting my video, please like and subscribe my channel so that you can learn these type of question from my channel, and there you can apply in any exam or any real life. Okay, now let's start to evaluate the expression. We need to follow the order of operation first, which is commonly used by PAMDAS method. As I said, like I will use here PAMDAS method. So as we can here use the PAMDAS method. So you can see here P is come first, which means we have to solve this parenthesis. So before starting this expression to solve, first we evaluate the expression inside this parenthesis. So now uh, we solve it like this one. Okay, in PAMDAS we also follow the left to right rules, which one is left and this one is right. So we will follow left to right rule here, and first we will solve this parenthesis, which is this one. So here we solve it. Okay, here we have 6 plus 2 of means here is multiplication, multiply by 4 plus 32 minus 2. Okay, now we will solve 8 divided by 4, and here we will give the reference of means multiplication, right? And now we will solve this parenthesis. So this one is 6 plus 4 to the 8 plus 32 minus 2. So here solve parenthesis first and multiplication. Okay, parenthesis, here we solve. So now again we will and multiplication. So here we apply the multiplication. Now 8 divided by 4, and this one will become 14, right? Minus 2. Now we will go again left to right and see like how which thing we will solve now. So here we have to solve this question 8 to this one. So we will solve is 4 to the 8, which is 2 here, and rest we have as it is, multiply by 4 plus 32 minus 2. So here we can give the references division. We solve here division. Now we will solve multiplication. Again, we will go left to right and see this part. So 2 8 sorry, 14 twos are 28, right? So plus 32 minus 2. Here we solve the multiplication sign. And now we will solve it. This one is 60. If you 8 and 2 is 10. 1 is carry, and now 2 plus 1 carry, 3 and 3 plus 6 minus 2, right? So in the last, now we will perform subtraction. Here we solve the addition. Now we will perform subtraction here, which is 58. So according to PAMDAS or BODMAS method, the answer is 58. So this one is the answer. If we see the answer in the this option, so we have the answer A is 58. So I hope you understand how you can solve this expression using PAMDAS or BODMAS method. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.